Ever looked at your indoor garden only to find unwanted guests? Pests can be a real party pooper, can't they? Like uninvited gatecrashers, they barge in, feast on your precious plants, and leave behind a trail of destruction. These tiny intruders can turn your green oasis into a battleground, causing frustration and heartache for those of us who find joy and peace in our indoor gardens. But don't worry, there's a way to fight back, and it's all natural. It's time to show these pests who's boss, and we're going to do it the organic way. Welcome to the world of organic pest management, a gentle yet effective approach to keeping your indoor garden pest-free. This method offers a host of benefits over traditional chemical pesticides, starting with the health of your plants. Organic practices use substances derived from nature, which are not only less harmful to your plants, but also improve soil quality, leading to healthier, more robust greenery. But it's not just about your plants, it's about the world we share. Chemical pesticides can leach into our water systems, harming aquatic life and contaminating our drinking water. On the other hand, organic pest management practices are eco-friendly, preserving the health of our planet for future generations. Now, let's dive into some key techniques. Proper watering is the first line of defense against pests. Overwatering can lead to root rot, which weakens the plant and makes it an easy target for pests. On the other hand, underwatering can stress out your plants, making them susceptible to infestations. The trick is to strike a balance. Provide enough water to keep your plants hydrated, but not so much that it invites trouble. Next comes the concept of plant quarantine. If you notice one of your plants showing signs of infestation, isolate it immediately. This prevents pests from spreading to your other plants and gives you a chance to deal with the problem without risking the rest of your indoor garden. Lastly, there's manual removal. Yes, this may sound tedious, but sometimes the best way to get rid of pests is to physically remove them. You can pick off larger pests like caterpillars and beetles, or use a damp cloth to wipe away smaller ones like aphids and spider mites. And remember, the key to successful pest management is consistency and vigilance. With these techniques in your arsenal, you're well equipped to handle any pest that dares to invade your indoor garden. So, gear up and step into the world of organic pest management, because your plants deserve the best. But what if pests still manage to sneak in? Nature has a solution for that too. When it comes to natural pest management, your home is a treasure trove of resources. Let's start with vinegar. White vinegar's sharp scent can deter many insects, so try spraying a solution of equal parts water and vinegar around your indoor garden. Next up, we have garlic. This pungent culinary staple isn't just for flavoring your favorite dishes, it's also a great pest repellent. Mix crushed garlic with water and spray this concoction around your plants. Insects will think twice before invading your garden. And let's not forget about soap. A mild soap water solution can work wonders against aphids, mites, and other soft-bodied pests. Just remember to rinse your plants after a few hours to prevent any soap buildup. But what if you could prevent pests even before they think of invading your home? Well, certain plants are naturally unappealing to pests. For instance, mint's strong aroma can keep ants and mice at bay. Basil, with its potent scent, is a natural fly deterrent. And rosemary? This fragrant herb is loathed by many insects, making it a great addition to your indoor garden. These remedies are not only effective, but also safe for your plants and the environment. They are proof that you don't need harsh chemicals to keep your indoor garden pest-free. Who knew your kitchen and garden could double as a pest control arsenal? So there you have it, a battle plan for your indoor garden pests. We've taken a deep dive into the world of organic pest management, highlighting its importance in maintaining a healthy, vibrant indoor garden. The battle against these unwelcome invaders is one we all face, and armed with the right knowledge, it's absolutely winnable. We've explored various techniques, from introducing beneficial insects to using natural sprays, each with its own role in this ongoing quest. We've also uncovered some amazing natural remedies right from our kitchen shelves, like garlic or vinegar, that can help in this fight. Not to forget the power of specific plants that can act as natural pest deterrents, adding an extra layer of defense for your indoor garden. It's a holistic approach, ensuring your plants not only survive, but thrive. Remember, your indoor garden is worth fighting for. With these tips, you're well equipped to keep those pesky pests at bay. Like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, everyone!